Yes, syempre ayun muna. May each year bring more strength, happiness, and a deeper appreciation for the many blessings God has given you. I look forward to celebrating many more years with you, cherishing every moment we have together. I hope you experience the things you always dreamed of and find joy in the things you may not have the chance to enjoy before. You deserve every bit of happiness and fulfillment that life has to offer. I am so grateful for everything you've done for me. Growing up under your guidance, care, and unconditional love that has such a blessing. Your sacrifices, the dreams you put aside for us, and the 100% effort you've given to fulfill your role as our mom will never go unnoticed. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much, Mama.
Yay!